While Bitcoin has been correcting, there are a few coins which have been holding it strong. Some of the coins include Cardano, Matic, and Synthetix. While Cardano and Matic are already in their overextended mode, Synthetix is just getting started for its ride to the north. So in today's video, we are going to take a closer look at Synthetix, understand what Synthetix is, do a technical analysis, and also try to do a price prediction for Synthetix. So you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join us at Crypto Bulls Club. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you'd like to read about cryptocurrencies and increase your knowledge, make sure you visit our website wherein we post very interesting articles. Also on the website, you will find a crypto consulting button wherein you can book a one-on-one session with our experts and discuss about your portfolio or any other coin that you would like to discuss. It is a paid service. Now let's take a quick look as to what Synthetix is all about. Before going to the details of Synthetix, Synthetix has risen by approximately 43% in the last 7 days and 35% only in the last 24 hours. So that gives us an indication of how powerful the Synthetix moves has been, because since the last 7 days, Bitcoin has not been doing that well. Rather, it has been correcting down to the levels of $42,000. But given the fact that Bitcoin has been correcting and Synthetix has been rising in that time period, shows us the strength the Synthetix token has. Now let's take a quick look as to what Synthetix token is all about. So Synthetix is a decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol founded by Kane Warwick and the Synthetix Foundation. Now let's understand what are synthetic assets. So synthetic assets, or synths as they call them, are derivatives that provide exposure to real-world assets on the Ethereum blockchain. Similar to derivatives in traditional financial markets, synths allow users to hedge and reduce their risks, speculate on price movements, and gain access to unavailable assets or markets. Now in simple words, if I have to explain you what Synthetix does, so Synthetix actually publishes real world assets in their Synthetix network, which is pretty much similar to what Binance has done recently. So Binance had launched tokenized stock. The reason for launching the tokenized stocks was, for example, they have launched the stock for Tesla. Tesla's stock trades at around $700. Now it is also not accessible for people who are residing in countries like India or any other place for that matter to trade in Tesla stocks. The reason for that is, number one, the price of one Tesla stock is very high, and also there are some limitations from the government as well. What Synthetix tries to aim is, Synthetix tries to bring those assets into the Synthetix network and build clone of those assets so that people are actually able to trade them. It is very similar to what tokenized stocks offer to the customer base as a whole. Now let's take a quick look on the Synthetix US dollar price chart. So we are on the Synthetix USD daily chart, and the first thing that I would like to highlight here are the key levels of support and the key levels of resistance. For that, we are going to take the favorite retracement. Currently we are trading at about $23 and we are just above our resistance line, which is at around 23.779. We are currently at 23.922, the point where I am recording this video. So what is our next level of resistance? Our next level of resistance is at 30.492, which will be a strong resistance, mind you. And before that, the earlier all-time high, which was at around $28.9 or $29, could actually serve as a resistance as well. Now, our premium members who are actually part of the premium group have actually purchased Synthetix at around $20 and are currently already at about $4 or 20% in profit, right? So this is just for a clarification part. Now, should you be buying Synthetix currently? I believe that Synthetix has quite some room to cover, but then again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing. And if you're confused about how to do your own research, then we made a video on it. You can watch that video by clicking the icon above my head right now. This is the support and the resistance. Now let's take a quick look. What is the stochastic RSI saying? So the stochastic RSI on the daily, as we can see here, the blue line has actually crossed above the red line and it's currently at 74.8 and the red line is at about 67.4, which indicates strong momentum upwards. Our resistance, if you have to talk about in the stochastic RSI, would be at about the range of 83 level. Again, if we are able to cross that, then I believe we would be in the range of 90 plus in the stochastic RSI. Now let's take a quick look on the Gaussian channel and try to understand where are we as far as the mean is concerned. So the Gaussian channel actually highlights the mean price where it ideally should be, or the average price where it should be, considering the time. So let's take a quick look on the Gaussian channel. So the Gaussian channel, we are currently above this line. So as you can see, the top level of the Gaussian channel, which is currently at about $18, was serving as a resistance for quite some time. So we tried breaking it, like back in April, we tried breaking it twice, we got rejected, and we actually got below the Gaussian channel, which actually proved to be a great buying opportunity. Then the middle line of the Gaussian channel acted as a strong resistance for us. So we were actually trading there from about 3rd of May till about 13th of May. So that acted as a resistance. Then we have finally broken above the median line, and for the last couple of days, the top line of the Gaussian channel was acting as a resistance. But today we have actually broken above the Gaussian channel, which is a great sign for the price action. Now let's move to the weekly time frame. So we are on the weekly time frame on the Synthetix US dollar chart, and we have opened this week on top of the bull market support band. So we were actually, a couple of weeks back, we were actually below the bull market support band for some time. Then we quickly moved above it and we were actually trading alongside the bull market support band. But this week, as we are speaking, we have actually moved above it and treating this bull market support band of the 20-week SMA as a great support level. Now on the weekly time frame, what we like to see is the stochastic RSI, because we understand on the stochastic RSI on the weekly chart is much more powerful as compared to the daily chart. So on the stochastic RSI on the weekly time frame, what we can see is that the blue line has actually crossed above the zone of 20, but the red line is yet to cross above. So it is still not a confirmed move as far as the weekly time frame is concerned. Now, apart from this, there is something else that I would like to show you right here, and that is a bull flag was actually getting formed here, as we can see, right? So we were actually forming a bull flag right from the week of 8th of February on Synthetix, wherein we made our all-time high, and then we had a great correction of about, so let's take a quick measurement of this correction. This correction was about 54% or so, which is again a great correction, and it actually suits to our criteria of why choosing an altcoin. So if you haven't seen that video on how to choose an altcoin, what are the criteria, you can click the icon above my head and you can watch it right now. So we are inside this bull flag, and what would be our price target? Let's take a quick look. So our price target as far as this bull flag is concerned, so this is the pole of the flag. We'll just place the pole above the part wherein we actually broke above it. So we broke above it on the week of 3rd of May. Our price target as far as the bull flag is concerned is about $38.69 or approximately $39. That's our price target as far as this bull flag is concerned. Will we reach there at one go? Possibly we can, but there are chances that we may get some corrections in the middle as well. But bull flags are known to be very bullish in nature. If we are able to break above the bull flag, then they tend to drive the price north. So our price target for the bull flag is at around $39. Now let's jump to the Synthetix BTC chart and let's take a look what it has in store for us. So we are on the Synthetix BTC chart, and primary thing that we see over here is a resistance at about 5,730 satoshis. So we actually went right up to 5,500 satoshis, but then we got rejected. So this is a strong resistance for us currently, but this range of 4,557 is also a strong support. So the chances are that we might actually trade in this zone for some time, unless and until we break above this resistance of 5,700 satoshis. Why do I say that we might break above? For that, we'll need to refer the stochastic RSI. So on the stochastic RSI, as we can see that we are already in the overbought zone, and the blue line is also above the red line. The blue line is at around 93, so it has got about 7 points or so to make up to 100. And if we reach about 100, so we'll definitely break above this resistance line. So as far as the BTC price chart is concerned, I strongly believe that we will be at least reaching around 7,000 satoshis in the market cycle. Now let's jump back onto the Synthetix US dollar chart and find out what is the price range for us in this complete market cycle. What is our target? So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to draw the fib retracement once more. So we have the fib retracement on the Synthetix US dollar daily chart, and our price target minimum for this market cycle, what I am considering, would be at around $62. Now I am not saying that Synthetix will go and hit $62 at one go. That's highly unlikely to happen, and I'm also not saying that $62 will be the top for this market cycle. But what I believe is $62 is definitely the price that Synthetix would be hitting in this market cycle. Again, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. If you want to invest in Synthetix, please do your own research before investing. With that being said, that's pretty much it about today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy. If you're new, please subscribe to our channel. Please smash the like button if you like the content, and also comment below as to what are the coins that you would like us to analyze for you in the future. Also share this video across your friends so that they are also aware of this gem which is just about to pick up, and they can also make money from it. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.